Winter doesn't have to mean the end of fresh homegrown produce. Even in the coldest months, your hydroponic garden can thrive with the right adjustments. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hydroponics Town. Today, in this video, we'll show you 4 proven strategies to keep your hydroponic system healthy and productive all winter long. Let's get started. Tip 1. Temperature control. Start by stabilizing the temperature of your nutrient solution. Roots perform best between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Install a reliable submersible heater with a thermostat and insulate the reservoir to prevent heat loss. Tip 2. Light and humidity. Increase light intensity and duration using full-spectrum LED grow lights set to a 16-hour photo period. Combat dry indoor air by maintaining 50 to 70% relative humidity with a quality humidifier. Tip 3. Nutrient and pH management. Cold temperatures slow nutrient uptake, causing pH to fluctuate. Test pH and EC daily and make small adjustments as needed. Enhance oxygenation with an air stone to prevent root stress. Tip 4. Airflow and harvesting. Promote airflow by pruning lower leaves and spacing plants appropriately. Regular harvesting encourages faster regrowth and reduces disease risk in humid environments. Shop now at www.HydroponicsTown.com and get everything you need, including heaters, LEDs, and nutrient solutions with fast shipping. Follow us on social media for more tips and daily updates. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Grow strong. See you in the next video.